Now, I want to explain difference between protezione speciale where you apply direct to the questura and the one will be like say court issue to you or commission give you. Now wetin I want explain for this particular video. But first, I go say good news to those people be like say una apply direct to questura. Why I go call am good news? Because if not because of the intervention of court of Veneto, if for be say many people dey regret by now, say if they know, they for not apply again. But in tanto, we thank God say everything went successfully. Now, if you apply for protezione speciale for questura, and document will be like say na 2 years document, wetin dem need from you, basic foundation for you to be able to apply for special protection, it is your working contract. That one might be the first thing needed by the questura for you to be able to apply for protezione speciale. And then other qualification when you get, maybe for example, you don't go school, you don't study, you don't get any license, anything at all where you don't participate. All these things might be the meaning of special protection, stating that you have integrated in the country. Now, this special protection, we get the one of Article 19 and the one of Article 32. Those people will be like someone get direct from appeal, that one might be Article 32. Why the one of 19 and the one people apply for direct to questura. Now, if you apply direct from questura after the requirements and then you don't already make everything submit, you get one thing when una need to understand, the matter not end for that place, because many people think say now questura they give out this document, which is in reality not questura. If you apply for special protection, then go send your practical, go give prefectura. Most of the questuras, they go send and go give judge. So not be questura itself. The meaning of questura na police headquarter in English. Themselves not they in charge to decide whether they go give you documents or not. They go still send and go prefectura or to a judge to watch and see if the qualification when you bring, is they okay for them to issue that document. Once prefectura approve, say yes, this person with everything when he bring come, according to our law, he qualify to get the special protection. At that place, the questura will accept you. They'll do everything. You see, say your plastic will come out. Now, many people don't like say they apply for the special protection. It still come back with negative. Last week, 3 people call me say after everything, they deny them for the special protection. Yes, it will be like that. Why? Because most people, they form their contracts to go make this special protection. Why some people, the qualification when they still get, not still reach the level to get this particular document. So that is why you have to now know that even when you don't thumbprint, not guarantee you say you must get the documents cento per cento. The commissioner, prefectura or a judge, the documents when you submit, they must hand over to somebody to examine and know whether you get qualification to get this special protection. So now be one thing when una need to understand for that part. And then the good news when they inside be say, those people like say they apply direct, the court of Veneto can rule over say yes, you fit convert this document into a motive of work. If not because of this court of Veneto, it will be saying a big problem to many people. Because they check and they can see say yes, people who apply for the special protection, it is motive of work. Now because of work, now make them apply. So why you go talk say they no go fit convert the document to work permit? So the court can rule over say yes, you get your special protection direct from questura or they give you from appeal, you can convert it to motive of work. Now be one thing where we need to understand. Now, talking about those people like say they get direct from the commission or from appeal, like A4 size. For example, now say this one a appeal paper, they give you documents. Difference when they for these two documents be say, if you check the appeal paper, where be like say you take make your appeal where they give you direct from court where you take with the documents, the name of the judge when give you that document there for the paper. The reason why when make the judge give you the document there for the paper, everything there for that place. So that means you get verbally. Those people who apply direct to questura, they not get verbally. Now only people will be like say they win their case from court and then get verbally. And that verbally and be the A4 size. Reason why they give you that document, they go state and put for inside. But if you apply direct to questura, now you give them reason why they need to give you documents. So they don't need to give you back any verbal again. Now be one thing when una need to understand. So special protection, to an extent, either you apply direct to the Qustura or the commission give you or you get from appeal. Now the same type of document according to the court of Veneto, as they take rule everything. Say yes, wetin special protection when they give you for court go do. Now the same thing when you apply for commission, apply for Qustura go still do. So now be one thing when we need to get to this point, because if not because of this court of Veneto, really problem for day. Many people by now now for the think, because this government and I know how they take they operate since all this one now, so they just they fight finta, say they never know anything when they want to do about the immigration. But I must tell you, say themselves as people that apply for this special protection, they get them, they're not today happy. Now one thing where we need to get to an extent, waiting I want try explain give una for here be say the papers where you take apply for your special protection, make sure say you do everything photocopy. Make one day with you and then one go day with the Qustura. So now so it just be. So if you apply for special protection or you need to wait, many people dey wey be like say they ask me question many times, say e dey delay. Yes, e dey delay. Why? Because people they want first to apply. Now people they won't apply for the special protection. When we first talk, nobody they listen. Everybody say nothing, no need to apply. But now rush hour, everybody they apply, and then if you apply now, so they give you appointment by November next year. All those far distance. I make if with the announced information, it is good you go earlier. They say early to bed. Now who first go? I'm first serve. Now so life just be. If you go late, you will still expect the late hour. So now so it just be. Who now wake up in the morning may go work, you know go expect salary at the end of the month. And so this life just be. They're not the boycott them. I greet all the fans of Prince TV. Respect.